Alright, audio Drift KDC-6251D. It's a car radio. The person give it to me to actually throw it away, but what they want me to do to remove the CD that is gets stuck in it. Right, what happened is that this radio went dead on them, means defective. Alright, then carried to a specialist that deals with radio, and the radio is not working, so they had to buy a new one. So they give me this to remove the CD out of it for them. So I'm going to just basically do a disassemble and show you what is inside of this type of car radio. Alright, so first I'm going to remove these two screws right here, these two, and then also on the sides, right, and also the back, and yeah, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going to remove the screws and let you see what is inside. Alright, so first I'm going to remove this one. Alright, remove this. Alright, so don't throw away the screws, guys. I'm not going to do that because they might come in handy one day, so it's good to keep them. Alright, remove this one right here. Alright, so this is how it looks. So I'm going to disconnect the ribbons and let you see. Alright, the screen removed. Alright, so I'm going to remove the screws, them on the side. Alright, and then try and get, if you notice, there is a CD. Alright, so I'm going to try and get rid of these screws right here. Alright, so first remove this screw right here, put that aside, remove this one, alright, and remove this screw right from the back here. Alright, we're going to prise it a little bit. Alright, lift it off. As you can see, now we're exposing the, alright, this part now, oh, it can actually comes down. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this screw, this one, that one, and also this one. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so the screw removes. Alright, lift it up, be careful, and you see the ribbon down here, remove this ribbon, same thing here. Alright, and expose the CD. Alright, some of these parts I can use them to make some cool projects, especially this display. I can turn it into a mini TV or a tablet if this is a touch screen. Alright, so you can just put up these parts for later future videos, right, to build something cool out of them. Alright, so this is how it looks inside. I'm still not finished dismantling it yet, but first I'm going to find a way to have this CD comes out without damaging it. Alright, so I'm going to use a battery to kind of move the motor and have it protrude out so I can remove the CD safely. Alright, stay tuned for that. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, this motor control the spinning to spin the CD, while this motor controls to move this up and down in order to read. But you have a motor right here, that deals with to pull and to have this CD comes out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a power bank. I don't remember the brand of it. I take a USB and I'm going to put it on the right here and have the CD protrude out. Just take a look at it. Alright, turn around the wires. You see it? Comes right out. Alright, so that's how you safely remove a CD out of a DVD, right? And then now, see mechanism come down. Now I'm going to activate it back. Right, so that's how you safely remove it. Alright, so I'm going to finish disassemble the rest of the radio. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm going to remove these screw. Alright, remove this one as well. Alright, and remove this one over here as well. Alright, and then have to remove these screws right here. Remove them. Alright, alright. So you can see it, take it coming apart nicely. Remove this screw. Remove this one as well. And alright, hold on. Alright, so that's how you disassemble a radio and show you what is inside. So this is the board. Alright, and this is the display. Alright, so I will be putting down these parts just in case for future purpose if I'm making anything. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Alright, and please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this video. Alright.